Ladies and gentlemen, dear watch lovers, we have today again a very special delivery from MB&F, Switzerland. My most anticipated and waited M.A.D. 1 Lucky Clover edition. Let's check it out. The DHL package has just arrived. I don't need this box, I can tear it down. MB&F World, the crazy cool world of UFOs. Many thanks for your order, the M.A.D. team. Indeed, a M.A.D. team for a M.A.D. product, for a M.A.D. client. Very nice, very nice. Careful, careful, don't damage anything. It's precious. My precious. Ooh, what a lovely box. What a lovely box. M.A.D. edition. I'm simply mad about watches. Very nice. Isn't this just simply lovely? Look at that spinning rotor made out of titanium with 3 blades, Viking style. Gonna cut off your hair. This is like storage and a very nice UV LED. Simply lovely. It's a M.A.D. M.A.D. World, stainless steel, yes. Lucky Clover special edition, limited edition. For those like me who participated to the 3 M.A.D. 1 Red raffles but didn't have the chance to be picked by the computer, so we weren't that lucky 3 times in a row, and then the dear people from M.A.D., from MB&F, M.A.D. 1 department, decided to make a special series just for us. The 3-time trials, 3 raffle trials, and gave us the opportunity to order the M.A.D. 1 Green Lucky Clover Symbol Edition. And this is how I got it. And it's finally here. On 4th of July. Celebrating the independence of the United States? No, because I'm Romanian. I'm celebrating my M.A.D. 1. Yes. So, see you with a lot of photos and in dark glowing scenes in just a bit. Take care. Bye bye.